Well, it's here, finally. Opening day is tomorrow. I'm heading out. If I got time, I think I will when I get out there. Go scout a little bit. I got one more spot I'd like to put some glass on at last light, but if nothing pans out, that's fine. I got a plan now for tomorrow morning. Last weekend, Dennis and I had gone out. About $8, I think it was. One we didn't get a real good look at. He looked promising, and another looked like we need a closer look at him. Big 3. And then today, my friend Layton was out glassing and found a really nice buck that he came by. The video he sent, it's kind of blurry in the message, but he came by and showed me the video, and it looks like a really good buck for as far away as he was. December 12th today, and that buck was pushing does, which I had to see to believe. That's awesome. Kind of encouraging since I have no target buck. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're gonna show up, meet Layton up at that spot, see if we can turn that buck up, and I don't know, who knows what he didn't see. Maybe there's better bucks there, but definitely try and find that one and get a closer look. Maybe an opening day buck, we'll see. Being the December hunt, it's basically an extended October or November hunt. You don't really expect to see any real rutting activity, but today would lead you to believe different. Until after Christmas generally, so I don't know. Get out, put some glass on the hill. I gotta be back Saturday evening, and until Christmas Eve, it's just go, go, go. Try and turn something up. I got help and I got time, so no reason not to be picky. See what we can find in the morning. He did say there was a doe with fawns yesterday. That one that just came out. Just waiting on the big guy. There's 4 deer. There's another buck. I can't see antlers. Must be a little guy.
That's one nice thing about these late hunts. You get more sleep.
Yeah, days are so freaking short. Yeah, coming up. If I was a buck across the canyon and I saw those does running all over the hillside, I'd probably, if I couldn't smell them, I'd probably just think it was a buck chasing does. Yeah, I can't tell if he's a 3x0 or a 3x1. I think he's a 3x1. Oh yeah, he's a 3x spike. Yeah. It's day 2. Getting pretty late in the morning. Total 180 from yesterday morning. Yesterday morning it was just go, 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 and nothing. Shut down after 8:30. We saw a lot of deer though. A lot of bucks. All bucks pushing deer, which is awesome. It's encouraging still. It's just not that upper echelon of buck that we're looking for on this hunt. This morning, late start. Not for us, for the deer. 8:30, 8:45 is about when we saw the first deer, and then we started picking them up everywhere. Does only, pigs, mule deer. The Pat kept checking back on these deer, finally found a buck, a little 3x1. Really getting after these does. They wanted nothing to do with him. Tim and Layton went back to our east. They didn't see anything most of the morning, moved to another spot and started picking up what Tim said was tons of deer. I don't know what that is yet. They saw 3 bucks they were wanting to get a better look at. I haven't heard back from them. So, keep glassing. I'm gonna hop back over the hill, catch up with Pat, see what he's seeing or not seeing. Wrap up the morning, get back to camp, and get back to town. Hopefully, plan is to be back out here, glassing at daylight in the morning, catch up with my dad and Dennis, and see what we can find. Probably go back where we started the first morning. We'll see. Just went in this bush.
Okay, I'm on him then.
Alright. He's coming out.
Yep, that's the buck I seen.
That's the buck I saw the other day, I think. That's a good buck. Oh, he's chasing him. Hey, Dad, come over here. Yeah, can you come over here? He looks big right there. Look at that space between his 2s and 3s.
Right now he's looking 90s.
You think 90s? He's just 3 on each side, right?
Yeah.
No extras?
Right up near the top of the
other
ridge.
side.
Yeah, he went over.
Right there he looks mid to high 90s.
I believe that. Yeah, he chased the doe over the top and then came back over. I'm almost positive that's the buck I saw a few weeks ago in here.
Same ridge.
Same exact spot. Is that him? That's a big buck. That's not him, that's a different buck. He's got...
He does have 3 on that other side.
He's a little crabby 3, huh? Much bigger his body is than that doe. Looks like an Eastern. Yeah, he's a crab. He's a crab 3 on both sides. part I'm seeing. Come on. Look at me. Look this way. Come on. Damn. Damn. Oh, shit. Come on, pick your head up. 100 yards. Man. Yeah, I see him. He's, I don't know. Yeah, I think so. I think all these bucks we saw today are like the same. I think the best one's that one across the canyon, honestly.